This question we have two equations. The first equation we have is x plus 3 equals 7. The best way to do this, if you can't just see the answer, we're starting with an x, then we're doing something to the x, we're adding 3, which I'll put there, and we're getting an answer of 7. Now to work out what x is, start with the 7 and go backwards. But when you go backwards you need to do the opposite thing. And the opposite of adding 3 is taking away 3. And 7, take away 3 is 4. So there's your answer for that one, x equals 4. For part B of the question, slightly more complicated equation, but again, let's always start with the x. This equation says 2x, that means we're timesing the x by 2. Then after the 2x, it's got a plus 5. So after that, I've got to add on 5, and I get an answer of 1. So to work out my answer, start with the 1 and work backwards. So the opposite of adding 5 is taking away 5, and the opposite of timesing by 2 is dividing by 2. So what we've got to do here, first of all, is do 1 minus 5. Well, there's a 1. If I go down my number line, going down my number line is going in this direction. If I go down my number line 5, once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, that gives me minus 4. So 1 minus 5 is minus 4. And now I've got to do minus 4 divided by 2. I'll just write that sum down here. Now, if the minus wasn't there, 4 divided by 2 would just be 2. But a minus divided by a plus gives you a minus answer. So the answer to minus 4 divided by 2 is minus 2. And there's your answer to that question. X equals minus 2.